What's up everybody, my name is Lydia and today I am sharing a review of the Black Girl Magic subscription box. The owners of this company reached out to me and asked me if I would share what's inside of Black Girl Magic box and my takeaways from it. So here I am, I'm about to dig in. I've already unpacked everything from the box and I want to share it with you. So let's get started. So first impressions are, this box comes packed, like stuffed with stuff. And I love that. If I'm gonna be spending money on a subscription box, I wanna make sure that I'm getting the most bang for my buck out of that box. When I opened the box, I realized that there's a lot in here and it's pretty exciting. So let's go piece by piece, starting with the paper materials that come inside of it. The first thing that I saw when I opened the box was this card. And on the front it says, magical affirmations. Greetings, sis. I want to personally thank you for choosing BGMB. I hope that this box helps you find your magic. Repeat the affirmation daily for best results. So on the back is your daily affirmation. I'm going to read it for you. It says, I am so excited to be alive. I'm grateful for the life I've been given. I can't wait to start my day. Every cell in my body radiates with positive energy. Today, I will take advantage of every opportunity before me. I am worthy, I am amazing, and I am ready. So that's the first thing I saw when I opened the box. After that, there were some cards from the artist who actually drew and illustrated this coloring sheet that comes with it. Her name is Kara Hinson, and it's her card and her contact info on the back, which is awesome. And then another postcard size card from Avala, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is the skincare company that included some items in the box. Then there's this little newsletter, and it's for the month of June, and the theme is energy. And so the box is themed around the color yellow, and I'm just gonna read just a little bit about what that color means. Yellow is the color of high energy, hope, and enthusiasm. It may instantly improve your mood when used correctly. It can help you to feel happy and optimistic. Use the scarf included as a form of visual therapy. Use your energy oil for an added boost of sunshine and repeat your affirmations daily. So this is the scarf that they're referring to in that little excerpt I read to you. It is yellow and it's 100% cotton. And so you're just supposed to keep it around as a visual representation of that energy color. And the body oil that they're talking about is from Avala. Hope I'm saying that right. It's right here, and it's made with shea nut oil, almond oil, sweet orange, tangerine, and lemongrass oil. So let's check it out. Oh yeah. You can absolutely smell all the citrus fruits, the lemongrass. I love the way that smells. It absolutely smells energetic. Citrus scents absolutely will energize you and wake you up. I'm gonna put a little bit behind my ears. It smells awesome. It's not overpowering either. As you know, like, I'm not a big fan of really heavy scents. Avala also made this travel soy candle, which is also in the energy scent. And it smells exactly like the body oil. That citrusy, bright fragrance. Very nice, very light. And it also has like a sweet undertone, almost like a lemon bar. that's what I would compare this scent to. So that smells really good. Almost like a dessert, but not like overpoweringly sweet. Next thing on the list, it says, we all know that stress can wreak havoc on the skin. A great way to slip in some self-care is to give yourself a facial. Treat yourself to a mask followed by toner and end your regimen with a Jade roller massage. A facial massage activates your sympathetic nervous system. This reduces your anxiety levels and uplifts your moods. So this is the facial that they're talking about, and this is the toner, and then I'll get into the Jade roller. But first, let's talk about the facial. It's the Morning Sunshine Revitalizing plus Pore Minimizing Anti-Aging All Natural Face Mask from Dirtbag Beauty. And it comes in this little pouch, and you pretty much just mix it with water in a bowl, a couple splashes of water, and then you put it on your face, and you leave it on for about 10 minutes and then take it off. There's no fillers, no toxins, and it's eco-friendly. So that's the facial that comes along. And I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's about that full. All right, so next, you would use this hydrating face mist from Fresh Seed Glow. And so let's check out the fragrance, because you know I'm all about that. Can't really smell a lot there. It's very faint, which is great. But I really like a hydrating face mist, not only after doing a face mask, but when you're applying skincare, putting on a face mist between layers. So if you're starting with your like hyaluronic acid, then you let that dry and then you spritz your face with your facial mist, then apply your vitamin C, spritz your face again after that dries, then the moisturizer and any oils you're gonna put on your face after that. So I've really been using a face mist in between the layers because your skin drinks up more of the nutrients when it's moist rather than when you apply your products dry. So I love that they included this in our kit. So last in the skincare routine is this Jade facial roller and Gua Sha Board. I know I'm not saying that right. I'm so sorry. It's by a company named Releve, I believe. I've seen these all over Instagram. I've seen them on Amazon everywhere, but I've never ordered one. So I'm kind of excited to try this out. But there's like instructions on the side of the box that show you how to use, oh my gosh, it's so cold. Use it on your skin. And you pretty much just roll it up and down, I guess. Right here's another spot, and under the eye, and then the nose, lips, and chin. It is so cold, you guys, but it actually feels really good. And I can understand how that would reduce any puffiness or inflammation, being that it's so cold. It says, fun tip, keep your Jade roller in the refrigerator to help depuff, brighten, and calm the skin. So there you have it. And then also in this kit is the Gua Sha Board, and you can see it right there. And uses a natural alternative therapy involving the scraping of skin to improve circulation. Improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and smooth surface never hurts your skin. It is very smooth. And it's all natural jade. So that's awesome. I'm so glad that they included that. What I'm realizing from this kit is like everything seems to be really cohesive. I've had other subscription boxes in the past where things kind of seem not as connected, but with this, it seems like one thing flows into the next. Not only that, but there's absolutely a theming when it comes to the color and the concept, which is energy. And so I really appreciate them taking that extra step to do that. Next up in the box is this Fire Brew Immune Shot, citrus, apple cider vinegar, and it's a wellness tonic. And so there are two, there are 2 shots in this bottle, and you can even add it to your food. Like you can put it in with a smoothie or you can mix it into a salad. but it has all kinds of amazing ingredients, including raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, raw unfiltered honey, powdered habanero pepper, rosemary, turmeric, orange extract, horseradish, like so many great things. So I'm excited to try that. I'll probably just drink it straight up tomorrow when I wake up. I'll put it in the fridge and drink it that way, but looks pretty cool. These are my final thoughts on this kit. I love the fact that everything in this kit is cohesive. I feel that, like I was saying earlier, sometimes with subscription boxes, they can kind of just put in a lot of things that don't really flow with one another, and there's nothing wrong with that, but you can definitely tell that with this box, the creator of the box really took her time to assemble items that were cohesive, and I really appreciate that. I feel like I can use all of these things to get my morning started off right. I just really like the way that she took her time to make sure that it wasn't a hodgepodge of things, it was a collection, a set. And so that's my main takeaway. Everything seemed curated just right for energy. And I also love, another thing I love about this box is not everything in this box is consumable. So when we're talking about the body oil or the candle, the immune shot and all of these things, those are consumable. Obviously, you're gonna be able to use them a handful of times or 1 or 2 times, but she also included items that won't run out. Like you have this beautiful scarf and the facial roller kit. And so I like that not everything is consumable and throw it away. There are things that you're going to be able to keep and use over and over and over again. And that's just a really thoughtful touch as well. So in my opinion, it's absolutely worth your time to check this out. I will have all the information on how to order in the description box below, but definitely go check out Black Girl Magic Box. It's a Black-owned company, a Black woman-owned company, which is huge. So if you're looking for a Black-owned company to support, or a company to support, period, I would highly recommend this company. I will have all of her social media information as well, to where you can go check it out too. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, be well. Bye.